Create a new form and prepare an address registry. Add a drop-down box where you can choose company. Switch the field style to the SQL query to write the query from the XP company name table. Add a text box for address name. Add a text box to enter the phone. After editing, select the mask field as the phone from the text box properties. Add a text box and name it as address. Increase height as the address field can take multiple lines. Select multi-line yes from the properties of the text box to enter multi-line data. You can play with the field's measurements and design it as you need. After that, you'll identify the fields such as city, state. Add a numeric box and name it as zip code. Let's save the form and add action to show the record list. After selecting the Actions tab, you click Record Selection from the Ready Actions button. Click on the Update button and prepare the SQL query. Create your query by pulling what you want to be displayed from this field. Save the form and run your app to see changes. Have fun!